Welcome to Minexa.ai, where scraping vehicle data from mercadolibre.com.br is deterministic and consistent every time. Let's see how easy it is to extract detailed vehicle specifications and features. Go to the mercadolibre.com.br page you want to scrape. Minexa automatically detects the page structure with no HTML setup needed. Now, open the Minexa Chrome extension to get started. This panel handles everything you need to turn your page into structured data quickly. Click the violet button, I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze the layout and detect the vehicle data list automatically. Minexa has detected the pagination controls. This means all pages will be scraped automatically each time you run the scraper. Decide the depth of scraping here. List only grabs every vehicle on the page, while Detail Mode opens each listing for more data. Continue works seamlessly for most sites. Switch to Advanced Mode only if content requires interaction or is dynamically loaded. If the highlighted section looks correct, click Create Scraper and complete the training to capture all vehicle details accurately. Minexa has now identified all key data points, including vehicle specifications and features. Missing values return blank, ensuring your dataset stays clean and accurate. Developers can click the API request button to get reusable Python code for this scraper. Perfect for integration across projects. Validate and complete your configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to lock in your setup before running the scraper. Minexa has detected the Next Page button automatically. Simply continue to scrape all pages, or proceed if no pagination is present. Validate your scraping job and click to create the job. You can also add a schedule to get fresh data automatically. The last step is to run the job. Hit Run and watch pages process in parallel for fast, scalable extraction. Every row in this dataset is a confirmed match. You'll see vehicle specs like model, year, price, and features extracted perfectly with no errors slipping through. Export your dataset easily. Every future run updates the snapshot with the same clean structure and columns for your analysis. Install Minexa and go from any website to structured datasets in minutes. No selectors, no infrastructure, and zero maintenance needed.